Hi everyone, it's Tara with Secret Bee Studio, and I'm here to show you this cute wallet mini album featuring the adorable Say Cheese Halloween collection by Simple Stories. This wallet measures 8.5 inches long by 4¼ inches wide and about 5/8 inches thick when closed. Once you open it up, however, like any great wallet, there are lots of storage spots available. Just like this one, this is the credit card slot, and it holds some of the 3x4 journaling cards that I've backed with some of the beautiful plaid paper of the collection. And then behind this, there is a gusseted pocket that I have filled with some of the 4x6 journaling cards that have areas for more photos on the back. The large center area of this mini album actually has two sides that open up to reveal even more sections. On the left side here, you can see just a small photo area and then a photo flip that is created using some of the 3x4 journaling cards. The right side also opens up to reveal another cute little interactive photo flip that opens side to side, and then it opens up to reveal another spot that has a pocket that I've just made a little booklet to hold photos. The large center section is a photo flip of the 4x6 journaling cards, and there are areas on the back of each to hold photos. Here's a diagram I put together of the dimensions that I used when creating this mini album. There are 4 pieces to this mini album: a top, a bottom, and 2 fold-out sides. For the base of the album, I used black cardstock, and then after everything was cut and put together, I covered it with the patterned paper and embellishments of the collection. I would just recommend cutting your top and bottom sections first and getting those scored and taped together before adding in your fold-out sides. The top section is 8.5 by 5¾ inches, and you score that on the short side at 3 inches and 3 5/8 inches. The bottom section is 8.5 by 7 inches, and you score that also on the short side at 4.5 inches and 4 7/8 inches. Once you have those 2 sections cut, go ahead and put the 8.5 sides together and then just tape them on the front and the back. I used a piece of Scotch tape. Then go ahead and cut 2 of the fold-out sides using 1 piece of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock, cutting it down the center at 4¼ inches. These will be scored on the long side at 3 3/4 inches, 4 1/4 inches, 8.5 inches, and 9 inches. Once you have these cut and scored, take the small 2-inch piece that is at each end and tape that onto the large center section of the top and the bottom, where they have come together and where you've already taped those together. Once you have everything taped, you will be covering it all with patterned paper so you won't see it. That will complete the base of your album, and then you can cover all of the separate sections with the patterned paper. I cut all of my patterned paper just slightly smaller, about 1/16 of an inch, just so a little bit of that black border would show underneath the patterned paper. The pocket on the bottom of my mini album is 7¼ inches long by 3¼ inches high. And then I just created those slots in the front by using 4 different pieces of patterned paper. To create the photo flips on the left side and the center of the album, I simply took the journaling cards and then cut a piece of patterned paper 1/2 inch in width, and then whatever the journaling card was in length, so 3 inches or 4 inches. I took and scored those pieces of paper down the center at the 1/2 inch side so that there's a 1/4 inch on either side. And then I adhered 1/4 inch to the back of the journaling card and 1/4 inch to the base of the album. Adhere them so they are layered one underneath the other. My album has a magnetic closure in the front, but you could also use Velcro or even a button and tie some twine around it. I also created a small handle for my wallet by cutting a 5/8 inch by 5 inch piece of the cardstock and then covering it with the patterned paper and then adhering each end to the top of the wallet. Once you get all of that completed, go ahead and just decorate and embellish this mini album to your heart's desire. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Hope you like this album. See you next time. Bye.